This is the RK-19 repair kit for the models 16 and 19. So on the front of the package here, you can see it'll come with a list of what the package will include, as well as a little picture diagram or breakdown of the parts and how they go. We'll go ahead and get everything out of the package here. You can see it'll come with the 2 rubber packings, the packing nut, the vacuum breaker cap, which is plastic. It's a plastic vacuum breaker cap. It's brass washer, the vacuum breaker float, which should have that red or orange seal on it, just like that, as well as the plastic vacuum breaker body, and of course the metal handle as well. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each of the parts. So we'll start with the handle. Get a total length of it. You see it's right at it, about 2 1/4 inches all the way across, and then measure it this way. Measures right at about 1 3/4 inches. And we'll measure across the top of the vacuum breaker cap. And that measures right at about 1 1/4 inches, with the height of about right below 3/4 inch. And the vacuum breaker body total height is about 3/4 inch, with an outside diameter of 1 inch. And we can measure the float. So with the float, measures right above 1/2 inch, with an outside diameter, if I can grab it, with an outside diameter of right at 1/2 inch. And we can measure the packing nut at the hexed portion here, with an outside diameter of right about 1 inch, and at the threads, measuring right at 1 inch as well. So once again, this is the Woodford RK-19 repair kit.